Good morning. How are you all, baby? Yes, I hope that everyone is fine. Today, have you all seen the math class today? Have you all attended math class today? How was the math time today? Have you all enjoyed the math time? Have you all done your math activity today, baby? Yes, very good. Super. See here. So no one should forget to do your math activity. Okay, baby? Because activity developed your cognitive development. Okay, baby? So daily whatever activity I am displaying you, so you have to finish it that day itself. Okay, baby? Today I am going to tell you about the concept time. Okay, baby? Today our classes concept time. Okay, baby? Okay? Yes. Today our concept is parts of the body. Today our concept is parts of the body. So before entering our concept, let's sing a rhymes for our concept. Let's sing a rhymes for the parts of the body. Okay, baby? Are you all ready? Okay, everybody get up. Everybody get up. Come on. Come on. Yes. Do you have hands, baby? Do you have hands? I have 2 hands. Everybody show your hands. Everybody show your hands. Yes, very good. Good job. Super. Come on. Come on, everybody. 2 little hands to clap, clap, clap. 2 little hands to clap, clap, clap. 2 little legs go tap, tap, tap. 2 little legs go tap, tap, tap. 2 little eyes are open wide. 2 little eyes are open wide. 1 little head goes side to side. 1 little head goes side to side. Okay, baby, let's sing once again. Let's sing once again. Everybody, come on, stand up, stand up. Let's sing once again. Everybody, repeat the rhymes after me. Okay, baby, come on. Everybody, raise your hands. Come on. 2 little hands to clap, clap, clap. 2 little hands to clap, clap, clap. 2 little legs go tap, tap, tap. 2 little legs go tap, tap, tap. 2 little eyes are open wide. 2 little eyes are open wide. 1 little head goes side to side. 1 little head goes side to side. Have you all enjoyed these rhymes? Yes, very good. Everyone, you done the action. Good. Fantastic, baby. Okay, shall we see what are the parts in our body? Okay, baby. Already we know, we studied the parts of the body in the nursery group itself. Okay, baby. See, once again, we see the concept. Okay, baby. Have you understood or not? Yes. Everybody sit on your mat properly. Come on. See here. What is this? What is this, baby? What is this? What is this? This is a body. This is a body. See here. What is this? This is a body. See, this is my body. So everyone show your body. This is my body. This is my body. So in my body, this is my front side. This is my front side. Everybody show your front side. Everybody show your front side. Stand up. Come on. Come on. Show your. This is my front side. Okay, baby. Next. This is my back side. See. This is my back side. See. In this picture. This boy back side. See. Everybody see here. So this boy front side is this one. And back side is this is. Okay. Everybody stand up and show your back side. Everybody stand up and show your back side. Yes, very good. Super. Okay, baby. In our body, what are the parts are there? Do you know? In our body, what are the parts are there? We know already. Am I right? Yes. See here. What are the parts in our body? What is this part? Tell me, everybody, what is this part? See here. What is this part? This is head. Everybody say, this is head. I have 1 head. Everybody touch your head. Come on, come on. Everybody touch your head. How many heads do you have? I have 1 head. What about you? How many heads do you have? Yes, 1 head. good. Super. What is this, baby? What part is this? Tell me, everybody. What part is this? Everybody touch your hat. Touch your hat. Yes. Everybody say, these are my hairs. These are my hairs. These are my hairs. Very good. Next, what is this part? What is this part, baby? What is this part? This is face. This is face. What is this part? This is face. Very good. Next, what is this part? Look at here. What is this part? This is eyes. This is eyes. See here. How many eyes do we have? How many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. We have 2 eyes. How many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. See, ma'am, I have 2 eyes. See, 1, 2. I have 2 eyes. Likewise, everybody count your eyes. Count your eyes. Yes. How many eyes do you have? Yes. Very good. You have 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. Very good. Super. What is this part, baby? What is this part? This is nose. This is nose. See here, everybody. This is nose. Everybody touch your nose. Come on, come on. Everybody touch your nose. Yes, ma'am. See here, I am touching my nose. This is my nose. Everybody touch your nose. How many nose you have? How many nose you have? Yes, 1 nose. Everybody has 1 nose. What about your mommy and father? You check your mommy. How many nose she has? Check your mommy. How many nose she has? Yes. Have you touched your mommy nose? Yes. Your mommy also has 1 nose. What about your father? What about your father? Your father has how many nose? Yes, exactly. 1 nose. So humans, everybody has, we all have only 1 nose. Very good. What is this part, baby? What is this part? What is this part? You don't know? You forgot, baby? You forgot? Tell me, what is this part? This is a mouth. This is a mouth. See my ma'am mouth. See your ma'am mouth. See here. This is my mouth. This is my mouth. Everybody show your mouth. Show your mouth. How many mouth do you have? 1 mouth. I have 1 mouth. What about you? Yes. Everybody has 1 mouth. See here. Everybody has 1 mouth. Okay, baby? Okay, baby, this is my mouth. I have 1 mouth. Okay, what about you? See your mouth. Everybody touch your mouth. Yes, very good. We have 1 mouth. Next, what is this part? Everybody show your teeth. See, this is a teeth. This is a teeth. Everybody show your tongue. Everybody show your tongue. Everybody show your tongue. Yes, this is a tongue. This is a tongue. This is lips. What is this part? Lips. This is lips. Very good. This is cheeks. This is a cheeks. So regarding this one, we sang one chubby cheek song. Am I right? Yes. This is a cheeks. This is cheeks. We have 2 cheeks. How many cheeks do we have? We have 2 cheeks. Next, what is this part? This is a, see here, 1, 2, 2 cheeks. See here, 1, 2, 2 cheeks. This is chin. What is this part, baby? This is a chin. What is this part? This is a chin. What is this part? What is this part? This is a ears. This is a ears. How many ears do we have? 1, 2. 2 ears. How many ears do we have? 1, 2. 2 ears. You check your mother and father. How many ears they have? Yes, very good. I'm clapping to everybody. See? Yes. So everybody has 2 ears. Very good. Come on. What is this part? What is this part, baby? This is this one. This one. What is this part? Tell me, everybody. This is neck. What is this part? Neck. What is this part? Neck. How many necks do we have? One neck. We have one neck. Very good. Okay, baby. What is this part, baby? What is this part? Everybody show your hands. Everybody raise your hands. Yes. What is this part, baby? What is this part? Hands. How many hands do we have? We have two hands. One, two. We have two hands. How many hands do we have? We have two hands. Very good. Super, baby. What is this part, baby? This is? Yes. Very good. This is fingers. These are my fingers. These are my fingers. How many fingers do we have? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 fingers. We have 10 fingers. Very good. Super. Next, what is this part? What is this part? See here. What is this part? This one, see here. What is this part? This is shoulder. Very good. Super, baby. What is this part? Shoulder. What is this part? Shoulder. Everybody touch your shoulder. Everybody touch your shoulder. Come on. See here. This is my shoulder. Everybody shake your shoulder. Raise your shoulder. Come on. This is my shoulder. I have two shoulders. Okay. What is this part, baby? What is this part? Tell me, everybody, what is this part? This is elbow. This is elbow. I have two elbows. I have two elbows. Very good. Super. Come on, baby. What is this part? See here. What is this part? This is a chest. This is a chest. What is this part, baby? This is a chest. This is a chest. Very good. Super. What is this part? Tell me, everybody, what is this part? This is, what is this part? Stomach. What is this part, baby? Stomach. What is this part? Stomach. Very good. Super. What is this part? So everybody touch your stomach. Everybody touch your stomachs. How many stomach you have? Yes. Everybody has one stomach. Everybody has one stomach. Next, what is this part? See here, everybody, what is this part? Legs. What is this part? Legs. How many legs do we have? 1, 2. 2 legs. How many legs do we have? 1, 2. 2 legs. Very good. Next, see here, what is this part? What is this part? This is knees. Everybody say knees. What is this part, baby? Knee. What is this part? Knee. How many knees do you have? 1, 2. 2 knees. Say 1, 2. 2 knees. Very good. Super. What is this part, baby? This is, what is this part? This is foot. This is foot. What is this part? This is a foot. This is foot. We have 2 foots. Very good. We have 2 foots. Okay. This is, what is this part? Toes. Everybody touch your toes. Everybody touch your toes. Everybody touch your toes. Yes. See? See, everybody see your toes. Very good. Super, super. Next, see your palm, baby. Everybody show your palm. Everybody show your palm. See here. Everybody show. This is a palm. This is a palm. So, everybody, we have 2 palms. Am I right? Yes. This is my palm. See the sense organs. What are the sense organs in our body? Yes. Very good. Come on. What are the sense organs in our body? Eyes, nose, ears, mouth and skin. See here. Eyes, nose, ears, mouth and skin. Say once again. Come on. What are the sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, mouth and skin. See here. We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. We speak with our mouth. We speak with our mouth. How do you feel, baby? How do you feel? We feel with our skin. We feel with our skin. So, see, suppose anybody pinching means how do you feel the pain? How do you feel, baby? Through your skin. Through our skin. Suppose if anybody rubbing means how do you feel? How do you feel, baby? We feel with our skin. We feel with our skin. Okay, baby? We feel with our skin. Shall we sing a rhymes for our concept class? Shall we sing a rhymes for the parts of the body? Come on. Come on, everybody. We all use our hands to write, hands to write, hands to write. We all use our hands to write, hands to write. And so clap, clap, clap. And so clap, clap, clap. We all use our hands to write, hands to write, hands to write. We all use our hands to write. And so clap, clap, clap. And so clap, clap, clap. We all use our legs to walk, legs to walk, legs to walk. We all use our legs to walk. And so jump, jump, jump. And so jump, jump, jump. Okay, baby? Have you all enjoyed these rhymes? Let's sing once again. Come on. We all use our hands to write, hands to write, hands to write. We all use our hands to write. And so clap, clap, clap. And so clap, clap, clap. We all use our legs to walk, legs to walk, legs to walk. We all use our legs to walk. And so jump, jump, jump. And so jump, jump, jump. Very good, super, baby. Next, shall we see the activity for this concept? Shall we see the activity for the parts of the body? Yes, come on. Everybody ready for the activity class? Okay, baby? Yeah, come on. Let's see the activity what we are going to do today. Okay, baby? Come on.